guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reading some new fidgets that I just got today. I went out to the mall and got them. They are both from Indigo, and yeah. So, first, there's new Needohs out. If you don't know what a Needoh is, this is kind of like what a Needoh is. Just a stress ball. Needohs, stuff. So, they came out with a new one. They're called Needoh Dohjees. They're different from regular Needohs. This is what they look like. They're in blind boxes. You do not know what Dohjee skin you're going to get. I got this angry bear kind of thing. Little tail. And inside the Dohjee skin is the Dohjee. It's a teeny Needoh, but the different part is they are hard. This is a regular teeny Needoh. See, bounces right back. Look. Okay. This one, it's like dough. So, that's why they're called the Dohjees. If you know what a dough ball is, they feel like dough balls, but like easier and tiny. If you've ever seen, felt, or have a dough ball, like right now so I can know. Now. But yeah, they're pretty good overall. I would rate this. Sorry, I'm putting it back into shape. I would rate this Dohjee a 9 out of 10. I love the little costumes. I was really hoping for the corgi, but I got this one. Really cute. Now, for my second fidget I got. Oh wait, I forgot. I was going to tell you the prices. This was $5. Now, for my next one was this little butterfly. Adorable. So, this is something called a Balloony pets. They look like a little balloon animal. Really cute. This is a little close-up. I picked out the blue butterfly because I love blue. It is a butterfly. It's so cute. So the options you can get are, I'm trying to remember, a butterfly, a bear, a snake, a frog, butterfly, and like a dog and a snake or something. I don't know. But I picked up this one. If you know what a monkey noodle is, let me see. There it is. So a monkey noodle, it's just like a stretchy little thing. And this is what they feel like. It feels like the monkey noodles feel like this. But these are a little stiffer, and you can still like stretch them, and you can squish both of them. But like this one's stiffer and just pretty good. I really like it. So, if you would get a Balloony pet, I think, so I paid, I paid $3 for this. I would pay like $1 or $2, and I think this is something you would like buy at a dollar store instead of Indigo. But I love it overall. It's a great fidget. I would rate it a 8 out of 10 because it's kind of stiff, but it is adorable. I was gonna get the frog, but like, there's a butterfly, and butterflies are also adorable. But yes, if you would like more fidget reviews, subscribe. Oh, and before I end the video, there was something called a magma Needoh at the store. It was so cool. I think it lights up. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you that before you go. But yeah, definitely get a Needoh Dohjee if you like stiff stress balls instead of easier ones. If you like easier ones, get a teeny Needoh. If you like stiffer ones, get a Dohjee. But if you like the cuteness of these, but you like the feel of teeny Needohs, you can take the Needoh out of the skin. You take a teeny Needoh, make sure it's a teeny one or else it'll be way too big. Then you can just put it inside the skin. It's the same size, so it works out. Yeah. the skins, I prefer the Dohjees, but that's only my opinion. But yes, if you want more fidget reviews, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you know when I post. I don't post too much, so you don't get a million notifications. That's another reason to subscribe. So, have a great day. Bye, guys.